name is Tiffany, and it is August 25th, 2012, and it's 7:13 a.m. and I'm starting to make a video. I'm 17. I wanted to make this because I have a daughter, depression, and everything else. I'm really struggling with it for around probably over 5 years now. It's pretty ridiculous. I have made over 100 cuts. So yeah, I knew this was for my Tumblr blog, called BeautifulPrevention, where I went to spend morning and time to reach out to people with these problems and help them through, because it's what I went through in life and what I believe in. They don't believe this is something you get over and deal with and move on and all that other stuff. So yeah, listen to these next 4 minutes or so if you're watching this, and remember these things. I am here for you. If you ever need anything at any time, I'll be there. I'll be your strength and love. I'll show you how to love yourself again. Just lean on me and give me your hand. I'll be your reason and support to stay strong, because you are beautiful and worth it. Anytime for any reason, I'll be right there with arms open wide, waiting for you to reach. Just reach for me, and I'll give you my last breath to help you through the dark and give me strength. Because you are beautiful, you are amazing, and you are worth it. We're on this earth for somebody, for some reason. Somebody out there is living for you, for your smile, for your love. That matters. You matter. You matter. In this world, you might be just one person, but you matter. You're amazing. You're incredible. You're beautiful. You're everything. You are worth more than anything. And I love you. Rather you would say, well, she doesn't know me, it doesn't matter. I love you. Simply because you live and breathe on this world, and you are beautiful, and you deserve happiness and to be loved and everything. And I love you. Simple as that. And you might think you're not worth anything. You might think all this is stupid and pointless and, whatever. But that's not true. And if you're watching this and you're one of those people who think this is, stuff like this just for attention, is stupid and sick or something like that, that's not true either. Most people who cut it hide it for years, and they do everything in their power to hide it and keep it from everybody. You can't get attention if nobody knows what you're doing and what you're going through. But you're amazing, and you're worth so much more than that. You are so beautiful. Your body does not deserve these scars. Though you are beautiful with them, you don't deserve that. You deserve to be happy and be loved and in love and everything else. And you might look at yourself in the mirror and think you're sick and disgusting and, I don't know, skinny or fat or worthless or dumb or whatever other thing that society and cool, slick people have pumped into your mind and heart. You're not. You are not. And you never will be. You're beautiful. You're worth more than anything in this world. I promise. And I will do anything for you. I'll give you my heart and my last breath to help you. You just reach out for me and I will be there. And I'll do anything you want and not anything you want, but I'll do anything you need. best to be there for you anytime. I mean, I hardly sleep, so I mean, it's not like it's that hard. So, just get in touch with me, reach out your hand, and I'll be there, and I'll help you stand, or I'll pick you back up if that's what you need. And I'll give you my strength, and I'll give you my love, and I'll show you how to love yourself again. And I'll show you you are beautiful, and you are worth it, because you are amazing. I forgot what I was going to say. But I love you. Remember that. You are loved. And you might think you're in this alone, but you're not. And you might think, well, nobody cares because you've reached out before, you've tried to find help, and nobody is there, but that's not true. Most people don't understand this. They don't understand what it means to harm yourself or hate yourself. And so they run from it, and they ridicule it. And that's not right. But there are people out there who believe in this, and who know how it hurts, and who have struggled through it and know the pain of it. And those are the people who can help you. You have to find those people. You can reach into your community of cutters and suicidalness and self-harmers, burners and scratchers and all that other stuff that you can do. And those are the people who are best at giving you strength and pulling you back up. People who have been through it and people who understand. So just give yourself a chance. Look in the mirror for once. Give yourself a chance. And know that you are worth it. And you are beautiful. And you are strong. You have the strength inside of you to withstand this. I promise. So next time you hurt, next time you feel like harming yourself, when you feel like dying, when you feel worthless or ugly or whatever else, reach out to somebody who can see that you're beautiful. Reach out to me. I'll always be there. Or somebody you trust, or somebody who just makes you smile. Even if you don't have to tell them, hey look, I'm hurting, or hey look, I want to die, or hey look, I want to hurt myself. It helps to just reach out and say, hey, will you talk to me? Hey, will you be there for a second? And if everybody is too busy, reach out to a stranger. I mean, there's a bunch of people on this side and all other sides who are suffering like this. And I know they're willing to help, or at least some I'm sure aren't. But I'm willing to help, and I'm here any time of day, any time of night, any time at all. I'll give you my email and my Facebook and maybe my telephone number, and whatever else you might need. I mean, you can call me, text me, email me, Facebook me, whatever else whatever it's called, get in touch with me. Any other way of contacting me, and I'll be there best I can. And I'll give you my strength, and my heart, and my love. I will help you stand again. I will help you beat this. I promise. Even if lately I've been struggling, and I've been walking around with an empty shell just waiting for the pain, I will give you strength. I will help you stand because I believe in you. I believe you're worth so much and you're so beautiful. And that's all that matters. Is that you are beautiful. You are worth it. You just have to give yourself a chance. And they say, I think it's 20 days of doing something and you do it without thinking. So get up each morning for 20 days in a row. Look in the mirror and say, you are beautiful, or I am beautiful, whichever way. And love yourself. Just 20 days. And they say it should work. But still, I love you. You are beautiful. This video is 10 minutes long, so it's a little long. So, I hope this helped. And I hope you understand. Just take care of yourself and know that you are loved. You are worth it and you are beautiful. Take care and don't hurt yourself. You are so much more than that. So, be blessed and take care and know you are loved and remember these things. You are beautiful. You are loved. You are worth it. And there are people out there that will help. I promise.